what's up? It's Rashmi and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notifications so you don't miss any update from me. By the way, I post every Tuesdays and Fridays. So I know a lot of you wants to start a YouTube channel. I think this is the perfect time because we all are in shelter in place and in quarantine and we all have so much time. So if this was your goal for 2020, then I think this is the perfect time to start a channel. So for today's video, we will be doing 75 plus video ideas while we are in quarantine. At number 1, I have morning routine and online school routine while we are in quarantine. People love watching morning routines. At number 2, we have night routine to have a mindful morning while we are in quarantine. Usually morning and night routine gets a lot of views, but now since we are in quarantine, it's new for everyone, so people love watching this type of routines on how they can get better and productive. Spend a day with me in quarantine. At number 4, decluttering my closet. Anything with word decluttering will get a lot of views. People loves to watch different organizing techniques and these videos usually get a lot of views. Bedroom makeovers, closet makeovers, workout challenges and routines. These videos usually get a lot of views. Another idea, you can do something like Chloe Ting app challenge and all the videos have thousands and millions of views. Everyone is into Chloe Ting's app workout routine. So if you don't know that, definitely go do that. You can do iPhone decluttering or what's on my phone. Go grocery shopping with me, quarantine version. Reacting videos on new songs, new movie trailer launches. Anything with word TikTok will get thousands of views. So yeah, that's a great idea. How I take Instagram pictures at home. These videos are trending all over YouTube. How to pose at home for Instagram. How I edit my Instagram images. Everyone loves watching these videos because everyone wants to learn new techniques on how to edit their picture. And yeah, these videos usually get a lot of views. Beauty experimentation videos like I applied aloe vera for a week and share your results, share your experience. Or I applied eyes for a week and this is what happened. I drank 1 gallon of water for a week has been trending on YouTube, so you can try that. Another video which is trending on YouTube currently is things I don't buy anymore, and people love watching minimalistic lifestyle videos, so yeah, this is a great idea. Another famous video categories on YouTube which usually get a lot of views is helping other YouTubers. You can make something like how to start a YouTube channel and this usually get a lot of views. Or how to edit YouTube videos. Create an aesthetic intro, template or outro template and people love these videos. So yeah, this usually get a lot of views. Productive habits while in quarantine. Or how to be productive or have a productive day with me in quarantine. You can also do something like what you eat in a day, like vegan food or keto or share new recipes and people love watching these videos. Music playlist for a spring. This is quite popular on YouTube now and people love watching videos, people love finding new songs. Another video which I personally like is bucket list places to go after quarantine. I have only watched one video and I think this is a great idea and will do great. Things to do when you're stuck at home. Self-care apps videos on iPhone. MacBook organization or customization tips. Bathroom makeover, living room makeover. Unboxing videos like for new products. Those get millions of views and if you get a new product, do an unboxing video. List of the books to read, to be optimistic, to be productive, to be more disciplined in quarantine. Amazon favorites is a thing now, so yeah. Make Amazon favorite videos, Amazon product reviews, Amazon beauty products to try for skincare. Netflix shows, self-care routines, chit-chat get ready with me, at-home workout routines, drive with me, how to deal with anxiety or depression during quarantine, study hacks for online classes, cook, bake with me, TikTok makeup hacks, anything with word TikTok is going viral, online shop with me, try to become TikTok famous for 24 hours, how to have an aesthetic Instagram, anything with word aesthetic gets a lot of views. How to get subscriber on YouTube, help other YouTuber video, this is a famous category and if you know some tricks then definitely do share that. Thrift flips, these videos usually get thousands of views, people love watching these videos. Running a mile every day and share your results. Try on everything in my closet. How to have an aesthetic room, like I said, anything with word aesthetic will get a lot of views, so yeah, try that. Create a no copyright aesthetic audio video. Every YouTuber wants to have a no copyright music and if you create a list for them, this usually gets a lot of views. Pulling in all-nighters. I don't know what is the psychology behind this, but this video usually get a lot of views. Free aesthetic editing pack like fonts, audio, green screen overlays, you can do that. If you're already using that, then create a video of that and help other YouTubers, and these videos usually get a lot of views. How I lost weight and what I did to lose weight. Trying a juice cleanse and share results. Make a video on video ideas, like this video. I ate one meal for 30 days and share the before and after. Law of attraction morning routines. This is really trending on YouTube. So yeah, you can do that. Get ready with me for a Zoom party. Skincare routines. Get ready with me to go nowhere. YouTube 101. Talk about mistakes you have done as a small YouTubers and what you did to increase your subscribers and view counts. What's on my iPad and MacBook video. I eat like a celebrity video, and something like I ate like Kylie Jenner for a week or Priyanka Chopra for a week. Morning routines for a week and working from home routine. Tips for time management. Plan with me. There's a whole community on YouTube for planning their whole month. So yeah, this usually get a lot of views too. Try not to laugh videos. 10 apps for studying and productivity. Famous series compilation. People love watching these videos. Hope this video was useful for you guys. And if this video helped you guys in any way, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. You all are staying safe and healthy. Until next time, bye!